are you doing?
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, let me get. I've got the wrong clothes on. Hold on. Oh, that's better. There you go.
Okay. Hey, you would know this.
What's up?
When somebody is added to Slack,
Oh, yes, yes.
they are automatically added to some of the channels, right?
That is correct. Yes.
Is new members one of those channels?
I don't know, but I can very, very soon find out, and I can even make that the case.
Okay.
Let me have a look over here. At least I recently saw that setting, team settings, default channels. Uh, they are not currently added to new members by default, but I can make that. That would seem like that would be a sensible thing to do, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Although it doesn't seem to be appearing in the list of channels that I can add to that
Okay.
list. That's interesting. I can show you my screen. Um, Let me share this screen with you here. So I'm looking at the Agile Ventures Slack admin settings there, and so it
Mm-hmm.
has here, it says default channels. Every member team will automatically join general. You can specify additional channels for new members to join automatically here. Ah, okay. I think they are automatically added to new members. Sorry, I think I was
Good.
yes. So they're automatically added to general, new members, random, and tech talk.
Okay.
And I can go and look at the Slack, and I think one person, yes. So yes, my friend Gyro, who I just invited, has been added there. So yes. Dun, 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 dun. I was just gonna. I guess we'll. My plan is to do the onboarding retrospective thingy after the Scrum. Thanks so much for starting the Scrum. I guess we will see if anyone else turns up. I was just gonna
Mm-hmm.
post to people in the 15 minutes till onboarding to it's AV weekly meetings. How are you doing this week?
I'm doing pretty good. I just signed up with online boot camp
Oh, really?
because sorry?
I said, oh, really? Excellent. Yes.
Yeah. I haven't been able to. I finally succeeded in crashing a pairing session yesterday,
Hold on.
but I couldn't participate because I didn't understand what they were talking about.
Right.
So I might have to recruit my own pair people, but I'm sort of I keep making noises about recruiting a bunch of
Hmm.
people from San Francisco
Sure.
for some kind of Agile Venture sub-project.
Yeah.
I'm not really ready to pull the trigger on it yet. I just talk about it, and people are like, "Oh, that's cool," but
Yeah.
I haven't like done anything.
Yeah. That's good. Which is also okay. Yes. Can I ask which online bootcamp have you signed up for?
Thinkful,
Thinkful. Right.
thinkful, yeah.
Yes. Yes. I'm sort of in the process of building an online bootcamp. Yes. Yes. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yes. There are more and more of them all the time.
Yeah, there are. In fact, the Odin project, which is a local one,
Yes.
um,
I know the
is
author.
on. Yeah.
That's I've forgotten his name now. Eric Troutman. Yes,
Hmm.
he so that is the that's all free, and he's made also now Viking Code School, which
Yes, Viking Code School. Yeah.
is his paid one. Yes.
Yeah, that's his paid one. All right. So it's 11:05,
Yeah. So I think
and
you could kick off the Scrum. Yeah.
you started? Okay. So yesterday I fixed some broken links on the AV site. I created a welcome to Slack article on the AV site, and I sent it to everybody who is subscribed to the newbie channel on Slack in the past 2 weeks.
Cool.
And I finally succeeded in joining a pairing session, although I wasn't actually able to do anything there.
Right.
And then
Can I ask which pairing? Who was it? Who was the pairing session that you joined of?
it was the one that Marion started.
Oh, right. Marion and Michael, perhaps.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Yes. Yes. No, that makes it. They're Marion and Michael are two of our oldest members, and they've been programming on the local sport Rails project for a long time. So that's a kind of the deep end to get into, if so to speak. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. And then today I'll attend the weekly meeting immediately following this call, respond to anybody who responds to my welcome email, and probably one or two other things that I'll be reporting on tomorrow that haven't happened yet.
Sure. Good stuff. I'm interested. So just you were saying that you contacted various people who were in the new members channel, and did you send them just a sort of a personal email to them? Was that what you were?
Yes, I sent each one a direct message saying welcome to the Slack channel. Here's a link to an article on getting started with Slack. And also we're having a weekly meeting today. And here's the link to the weekly meeting.
Oh, fantastic. That sounds wonderful. Yes. What was, I'm just out of interest, the link that so you direct messaged them on Slack and you sent them.
I did, yes.
Can you paste the link that you, I'm just out of curiosity, very interested in the link that you're getting started. I guess, was that on the Slack site itself? Is that the...
No, I created a new article, and actually I was having some difficulty figuring out where I should put the article, but I didn't want to delay any longer on putting it in the right place, so I sent it. Let's see, where's the chat? There's a link on the Agile Ventures.
Oh, thank you. Right. Yes. So yes, you put it in the. Oh no, I turned my screen off accidentally. I hate it when that happens. Oh, screen. Don't do that. Right. Mouse button. There we go. Yes. Yes. No, that's a good place. Oh, excellent. Wonderful. That's great. Great work. I'm very, very pleased. Excellent. Yes. Yeah. Good stuff.
I'm trying. I think I'm annoying people a little bit because I'm coming in like a bull in the china shop, trying to make all the mistakes that a person might make when they're joining AV Ventures, so I can possibly smooth them out.
Yeah. Well, that sounds perfect to me. I mean, I guess we're yeah. No. My sense is of you being a person who is carefully organizing the china shop in a great way. I don't know that there's no bullishness from my side. So yeah, great. Okay. No, I think that's a great addition. I'm just looking at I'm not screen sharing. I'm looking at the document there. That's great.
Great. Well, if I knock anything over, let me know.
I certainly will. But you're doing very well so far, I would say. I think it's fascinating. I mean, I think the challenge is there of observing. I guess at least I would imagine at least understanding every minute aspect of it.
Sorry, the Google Hangout quit right in the middle of your sentence.
Ah, yes. We may want to lose. Sometimes we may want to switch to screen share rather than using the video, because the video often consumes a lot of the bandwidth that's the audio. So I might go on screen share there so we have context. And feel free to either share your screen or just turn off the video there. Yes. Or you're sharing your screen.
There we go.
Yes. Indeed. Okay. I think your video may still be on. You may want to, if you see on your screen, there's kind of a series of icons. That's right. Yeah, that one goes red. Yes, and then that should probably maximize our audio bandwidth. I was just saying, even if you didn't necessarily understand everything that Michael and Marion were doing in their pairing session yesterday, I imagine that you were able to see something of the flow of the work and the way that they were collaborating.
Yes, and I also found Thomas's, or maybe it was yours, video on GitHub Pong.
Yes, yes. I
Which
think it
is
probably is. Go on.
great. GitHub Pong. I can't wait to find somebody to play that with.
Absolutely. Yes, yes. That's yeah, and then that's the AV102 course has got various aspects of that, and we've got actually also in the MOOC as well now. That's the edX MOOC that I think we've got a shorter, probably a better. I mean, part of the challenge I think is gathering together the different bits of things that we've recorded and kind of making sure that it's easy for people to find. You know, this is an example of you know what's going on or what have you. Yes. So I guess in the Scrum, I guess I'll just update you on what I'm doing.
Great.
Good to see that you're making progress on the Solitaire there. Or is that a screensaver?
Oh, oops. That's my fidget. It's brainless. It's how I keep my mind from wandering. Go on.
I need one of those. Yeah. So today I did my usual 2 scrums, the Euro-Asia and the Atlantic, and I met up with Thomas and Mike, who were in the Euro-Asia scrum, and they were both they're both doing this new Optu course thing, which is or they're both tutors in Optu course, which has been started by graduates from Berkeley Business School, and this is Mike and Thomas there, and also Sam Pretty is doing it as well, and Thomas and somebody are very active Agile Ventures members. Michael was a very, very active TA in the MOOC, and but then kind of got busy. But he's got. I'm very pleased that he's involved in this, and I'm hoping to Michael may be able to fix various issues in the MOOC that we have. He's worked a lot on the transcript side. There.
Oh, great. Okay. Yeah, I stopped my screen sharing because the top of the I couldn't see the header. OptiCourse. Okay, yeah, I found edX. I hadn't found the OptiCourse.
Yeah, this is a new thing. This is as I say, limited pilot here. I mean, this is the kind of thing that I think you haven't done the MOOC, have you? The edX 169 MOOC. Or you said you found it, but you haven't previously.
Yeah, I found it and I joined it. But I've been leading distributed teams since 2004. So.
Oh yeah, no, right. But I'm referring to sure. Oh no, I'm referring to a different thing. So the so the thing that I'm sharing now, this is the massively open online class that the majority of the people in Agile Ventures have completed. If that makes sense. So I'm just going to paste that link in for you there, and that's you can sort of think of this as a kind of this is a free online bootcamp that tends to do at the same time. The AV102 course is another course that we've done, and I think yes, probably parts of the AV102 course, as you say, if you've been managing distributed teams since for a long time, may not be so relevant. The AV102 course does have lots of things in it, like GitHub Pong and other recent tools that you may still be interested in. But anyway, but usually people would do the AV102 course after they had done this engineering software as a service course.
Gotcha.
And so this engineering software as a service course goes through Ruby and Rails and agile development and all these different bits and pieces. And so, for example, both Michael and Marion, who you were pairing with, they had done that course, and that's how I met them. And but now this Optu course is to allow you can pay a little extra money, and then one of these friendly folks will they'll do like an online mentoring thing with you.
Okay. And that's in OptiCourse?
So no, OptiCourse, it's an online mentoring kind of thing that goes hand in hand with this free offering from edX.
Gotcha.
This is actually
that sounds interesting to me too. Did you give me? Is that the same link you gave me?
So the link that I just gave you here is specifically the link to the edX one. I can also give you the OptiCourse one as well.
Yeah. Why don't you do that?
I'll pop that in there. And I guess we've kind of come up on the end of the Scrum, and we should probably start the other meeting.
Yes.
I guess just to wrap up on things is we had the Atlantic Scrum was just myself and Dan. We had the first physical space only Scrum, which was kind of strange.
Okay.
But yeah, we've got this new project that we're looking at with the GitHub API gem, which I think maybe hasn't got as many wings as I'd like it to have. But anyway, yeah, I guess what I'll do is I'll maybe drop out and I'll create the other Hangout for the group meeting, and I'll see you there.
Okay, great.
All right.
Thanks,
Bye for
Sam.
now.
Bye for now.